Whenever I want a refreshing, creamy drink, I always turn to a lassi. And a lassi is usually made with mango. It's an Indian style drink. But I'm going to show you a new version. I'm going to be using some golden kiwi fruits. They are delicious as is, but they're so yummy in this creamy drink. So into a blender, I'll add some yogurt, just some Greek style yogurt. Now for some ice cubes to keep it really cool. And to accentuate the sweetness of the golden kiwi fruits, I'll add some honey, so about a tablespoon. And a key spice for this, some ground cardamom. Don't overdo it because it can be overpowering, and what I want to taste in here is the golden kiwi fruit. You'll need about 2 per serving, and we're just going to top and tail. These ones are lovely and ripe, and you can see with their distinct golden colour. It has fantastic smooth texture, but has a really lovely sweetness, and it's a great substitute for mango in this lassi. And I'm just cutting this into rough chunks because I'll let the blender do all the work. In it goes. Lid on, and we'll blend until it's smooth. Okay, the lassi is ready. We'll just pour it into a large milkshake style glass, all the way to the top. Look at that gorgeous golden colour. And just to really show off that this is golden kiwi fruit, I'll grab another one and I'll just slice one chunky piece like that. And just like a cocktail, I'll place that onto the side. A little straw in there, and that is such a great way to change up the classic lassi with mango. Try it with golden kiwi fruit. It is refreshingly good.